Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel, inshallah. If your first time you came here, please welcome open hands. And my name is Bashara. I'm a mom of 3 beautiful kids. Allahumma barik. First of all, I'm going to say Ramadan mubarak. Allahumma barakna Ramadan bis-siha wal-afiyah. And after that, today I'm going to share with you some of my routine and what we're up to today, what we're going to do, what I'm going to cook. Yeah, and on some shopping haul. So welcome. First, I'm going to start with making some lunch, and I posted this video a week ago, me making this biryani. Yeah, so as you can see, I started with the onion, browning the onion, and afterwards I've used the chicken breast that I cut into small pieces, and then the sauce, it was a tomato. I used a tin tomato and coriander, garlic, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger. And that's what I blended together and then I added. And on halfway through, I realized I don't have a rice, so I had to run to the shop, Somali shop, that I wanted to buy a rice. And I ended up buying some pasta and some other stuffs that I needed. So mashallah. So now I'm back from the shop. So I'm going to make the rice. I'm going to boil the rice on separate. So when I cook halfway the rice, so that's when I'm going to add to the sauce. That is the rice I use. So this is the long one. As you can see, I started on using different pan, but you can use the same one you have used for the sauce. And so I'm layering the sauce and then the rice and then the sauce and then the rice. That's how I finished it. And at the end, you can add food coloring if you have it. So I haven't got food coloring at that moment. So I've just added some garlic, and you can add some raisin on top if you have it. So both of them I didn't have that time. So and afterwards, while the rice is cooking, so I'm going to just clean up all the mess that I have made. And now the rice is made, is finished, and the kitchen is clean. One thing I hate about it is after I made food, coming back to the kitchen messy. I can't stand that. But alhamdulillah, for this time it was nice and clean, but always it's not like this. Afterwards, now here I'm making some veggies. The veggies are potato and carrot and different peppers. So I've just seasoned with garlic and mixed herbs and some salt and black pepper. That's all I've added. So I'm just gonna air fry it. So afterwards, I'm gonna put it on top of the rice. Mashallah, it was so delicious and so easy. If you have an air fryer, mashallah, it's good, this veggie. If you haven't tried before, try it. Just make it very thin, the potato, because the potato takes longer to cook. But if you slice it very thin, and it cooks quickly, mashallah. So that's what we're making now. all the veggie was ready, and I added on top of the rice, mashallah. So in here I received some delivery from Temu. I have ordered stuff that I've ordered. And in here, if you can see, it's a small gift bags. And I'm arranging, my son have finished qahida, Allahumma barik. So I'm planning to make a party for him after Eid, inshallah. So this is the stuff that I've ordered. So to use for the bag, to put inside the bag. That is a small toys. I've ordered a lot of stuffs, but you know what happened was like, they delivered, they put it in the blue bin, and the delivery, the bin man came that day and they took it. So I lost all the stuffs, mashallah. Not mashallah. And then what I did was like, I contacted them. I said, where's my stuff? They said, when they deliver, they take a picture. He took the picture when he put it in the bin. I said, no, I didn't ask him to put it there. So what they did was they reshipped again for me, alhamdulillah, which was good. So I received some of the stuffs, but all the stuffs was out of stock. I ordered separate stuffs now, so I'm waiting. So this thing is a Ramadan calendar that I'm gonna use it. Alhamdulillah, that was all I have received today. I hope you liked my video. If you're first time here, please subscribe and like, and welcome to my video. I'm so nervous recording this video, so thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.